Hello, Sweet Tea Marie here. The world is falling apart, but first, let's smoke a bowl and enjoy nature. So, I'm extremely regretting my decision of carrying a packed bowl because I gotta go down that steep hill. Thank God I got my boots. Yes, I'm dressing up as the enemy, aka Preppy Girl, because I need to be seen in this forest because a lot of people hunt. I just don't feel like being game-ended. I'm debating if I should climb over. I'll give it a shot, but I don't think I can. My name is Sweet Tea Marie and this is Jackass. So I'm sitting on this rock. My ass is wet, but it's worth it. I'm gonna do some meditation, some writing, and of course finish this bowl, which I mistakenly packed last night and decided to carry through these steep ass woods. Not only am I covering it to protect it, but I'm also covering it for censorship. I showered last night and washed my hair. I'll probably take a shower after this. It's not much of a long hike. My knees are going to make me pay for this with how steep this hill is. And I really have to bend my knees and suck in my core. And I already went to physical therapy today. I'm gonna stop yapping finally, do my rituals. I hope nothing lives in there, and I'm kind of spooked. Yeah, I'm not gonna fuck with that. I don't know what the fuck that is. Respectfully, I love it. But here though, just checking to make sure the tree is sturdy and not gonna fucking fall on me, and that nothing else lives in it. I love nature. Don't let my swearing dissuade you from. I kept going up the ATV track, which I don't want to do because it sounds like people are ready to start. It sounds like there's already people at the ATV track, and I'm not in a social mood today. I already did my errands. And also I realized that my house was not the house I was walking towards. Thank God I stopped myself because I noticed there was a chair that was not mine. And it sounded like someone saw me. I wasn't even close to their yard, thank God. But even still, it's kind of awkward. I mean, I think if I know who it is, they know me. And they also know that I'm neurodivergent and just fucking wander off sometimes. Mostly my car. I love doing little errands. I decided to move up closer to the trail because I trusted these trees a little bit more. That's already fallen down. That's already hitting the ground, so it might move. I think it stays, hopefully. But at least I would have a chance to slide back down. This tree kind of looked a little sus, but at least I know it's gonna fall that way if it falls. And I also didn't want to sit right under this branch that's already snapped off. This is very important when you decide to go hiking by yourself or with people, to always check the trees like that one and those over here. So I'm gonna bury my candle over here, do some witchcraft. Got my tiger's eye. Forgot my rose quartz and onyx bracelet, but 'tis life. And I like how this matched my shirt color. I know my bra is darker than my shirt, but to put in perspective, where that log is laying down, I have to get up there. I'm halfway. Whoa, I'm halfway there. Whoa, scribble on the chair. Okay, I gotta put my phone down. I got lost because in order to get over that, this is the trail, by the way, I have to go all the way around and back down. And I kept going up the ATV bike. Bitch.